My name's Matthew Newton. I'm born and bred in Barcaldine. Currently working with Bourne and Associates here in Barcaldine as a civil draftsman. I started with them a bit over 18 months ago, at which time they tasked me with operation of their Phantom 4 drone, and never flown it before, flown a drone at all before. But yeah, happily learnt it along the way with work, and last year they were good enough to let me come to the symposium here in Barcaldine. This is my second year here, and earlier in my registration with symposium this year, Christine from Rapid, Christine Arnold, offered me the chance to apply for a scholarship to go to World of Drones also this year, of which I've been successful in getting, which will actually, it'll be great for personal as well as work reasons, solely because Outback Drone Symposium is very agricultural based, which really works out in the region, but through work we also do quite a lot of engineering and surveying work. So to see what they've got down at World of Drones will also be of great interest to bring back to the region as options and connections.